Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. We just recently bought these nail polishes by Morgan Taylor, and they're in their platinum line. All of these are linear holographic polishes, and they're from a collection called Journey to Wonderland Platinum Collection. We bought them at Beauty and Butter on Shopee. Okay, so without further ado, let's start swatching. First shade to swatch is called Caught in a Dream. Of course, before swatching each shade, I already applied a base coat. Now for the second coat. Caught in a Dream is described as a teal hollow sparkle shade. The second shade to swatch is called Frolic in Fairy Dust. Now for the second coat. Frolic in Fairy Dust is described as an indigo hollow sparkle shade. Now let's swatch the third shade, which is Not Your Average Damsel. Then for the second coat. Not Your Average Damsel is described as a purple hollow sparkle shade. Then we have the shade My Horse is a Unicorn. Then let's apply a second coat. My Horse is a Unicorn is described as a pink hollow sparkle shade. Next shade is called Fit for a Fairy Tale. Now for the second coat. Fit for a Fairy Tale is described as a red hollow sparkle shade. And the last shade from this collection is called Just Like Magic. Now for the second coat. Just Like Magic is described as an amber hollow sparkle shade. And here we have all of the shades from Morgan Taylor's Journey to Wonderland Platinum Collection. I'm super happy to complete this collection. This is my very first time trying Morgan Taylor, and I'm really loving their formulation. As you can see, it's super easy to apply and it's not streaky at all. There are no visible brush strokes on my nail after applying it. All of the shades are super holographic and I love the depth of each of them. Each bottle has 15 ml. It dries super fast and it has an extremely glossy finish. Bought these beautiful holographic nail polishes at Beauty and Butter. Link will be available below. Morgan Taylor Platinum is an uber-indulgent line that features the most luxurious finishes and lavish textures. Platinum is a long wear formula that lasts up to 10 days. By the way, I did a Skittle Mani for 5 of the shades. And here's one thick coat application. As you can see, it's already opaque and it's so hollow. But if you want more depth and if you want a more striking appearance, you'll totally love the 2-coat application. I'm really loving this collection and every shade is just so pretty. By the way, which among these shades is your favorite? Don't forget to leave it on the comment section below. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!